Okay, so the unboxing of the SCS S-8X trim pack helmet Bluetooth intercom. You have a close look at it there. And two motorbikes going at speed on the side there. So we go on the back, addresses, and nothing, no more information on the back. It gives you the range, 800 meters, and some other things. Oh, I've got some more information. Oh, what's in the pack? So we got 2 units and some other stuff. Let's just get in there and open it. So it's a good, well presented package. Be good if you're getting it for a gift for someone. It's all good so far. I've got another brand on the front there. Nothing on the back or the sides. Let's open it up. Nothing on the inside of that. Let's get rid of that. So we've got some literature, some warranty card, and oh, another what's in the box. Okay, let's get rid of that over there. And okay, so we've got the 2 units, lovely, and another little box there. So let's just get in there. I can't dig the rubber off. There we go, take that off. And take that one off. Oh, it's really light. That is really light. I was expecting it to be a little bit heavier than that, to be honest. Let's get nice and close so we can see it. So we've got the power button, and then that's probably the function button, I suppose, not without looking at it. Don't know. It's obviously plus and minus. Nice big buttons for when you're wearing your gloves, which is really essential. Don't know why it's shaped like that. It's interesting. So that's, oh, USB-C, so that's amazing. What's in here? Oh, so you could put your earphones in it or whatever. Let's see what we've got on the side. Some sort of hook. That'd be the template, so you can stick it onto something. Okay. Obviously that's the same. Right, can we take that out? Here we can. All right, now we're looking at stuff. So we got, that feels like earphones, and earphones, some sticky pads, some more sticky pads, chargers for both units, brilliant. And let's just move that over there. Oops. And what have we got in here? Okay, let's just open it and find out, shall we? Okay, so there's the brackets. That's the brackets. There'll be the 2 brackets to go on the side of. Oh yeah, so it's, oh, look at that. That's really good. So they're slightly curved. Oops. They're slightly curved to go onto the side of the motorcycle. Brilliant idea. So it's not straight, which is great. A bit rubbery here, and that's obviously the sticky bit that goes straight onto the helmet. And then okay, 2 speakers. Yep, gotcha. 2 speakers plug into the unit itself. This is all without looking at the instructions, so I'm just guessing at the moment. So that will plug into there. The speakers get wired into your helmet, and then the microphone plugs into here as well. Plugs into there. Looks like it goes in there. Yep. And then that gets wired into the front of your helmet. And then we've got the sticky pads over there, and then obviously another one for the other unit as well. All right, let's just have a look at these. Oh, there's here sticky. What have we got here? So we got, okay, so that's a thick sticky pad times 2. Oh, and Velcro as well. That's great. Oh, hang on. No, that's just, no, that's not Velcro. That's the sticky pads, sticky felt pads. Okay, I don't know what they're for because I haven't looked at the instructions. Okay, so that's interesting. So that's the speakers and microphone. So what's this? I thought this was earphones. Oh, look, I've ripped the bag. Okay, it's a smaller speaker. smaller microphone, I suppose. I don't know, because once again I haven't looked at the let's just have a look at this one. There. Alright, so it is all there, but I don't know exactly what they are yet. But this is just the unboxing, so in a minute I will have a look at what exactly I need to do with everything here, and then I'll get back and have a look at what it's like on the road. Okay, so next time you'll see me, I'll be trying it out for good. Hello and welcome back to Lee's Tech Room, and today's video, as you can probably see, is all about this SCS motorcycle intercoms. I've already got one connected to this helmet, as you can see. So it's best to be on the left hand side, I think, because if you're going to be using your throttle on your right hand side, you need to be able to get to it by your left hand. So basically what we need on this helmet, which is really helpful, this is a bell dominator, I think it's called. Eliminator, bell eliminator, and underneath the pads, yeah, that's it. So underneath this pad here, there's well, you can't really see it because the speaker's actually in there. That's the speaker right there. Really easy to set up. Well, it was on that one. It's going to be different on this one. So let's get straight to it. We used it just now. I tested it on this. This is Sam's helmet. We tested it. I connected to it. Sure, she connected to it with a mobile phone, which is great. I went outside and called her, and I could hear her clear as day. Obviously, she wasn't riding at speed. She was sat in the front room. So we haven't tested it properly yet. I might go out for a ride tomorrow if it stays dry. Gosh, this helmet isn't as easy as Sam's was. I suppose that one's more expensive, so it was designed with this in mind. Mine wasn't. Okay, that's right by my ear, which is perfect. Okay, happy with that. And we plug it on like that. It goes on so nice. It's really nice and nice clip to it, nice snap. Okay, so let's. Gosh, this one was so much easier in that helmet. I did it in a couple of minutes. Literally, it took me 2 or 3 minutes to do.